Hey everyone, welcome back to the job opportunity series. And in this video, we are going to see a few of the internship openings related to UX UI. So let me share my screen and show you one of the. So yeah, the first opening is at Flutch. You can see the requirement is 0 to 2 years, and you can apply for this by checking their roles and responsibilities. And it's going to be a kind of permanent job if you are good at internship, and it can become a permanent for you. So check out this and the next opening is at Confidential. They have the again internship opening, and you can check and apply on the jobrapido.com. You can also check few other openings related to UX UI here. And coming to another one, that is LOAI, Lo.ai. They have opening again for UX design intern. And yeah, they have mentioned the hiring team as well. You can contact if needed. And the next one is user experience intern at Lagavi. So you can check their description, which is required, and what kind of expectations are set for the intern, and you can apply for the same. I'll give all the links in description if you want. And the next one is the same Lagavi, and it has been open in Job Rapido as well. You can apply from there. And the next one is Shubharam Productions Private Limited. They have the opening of UX UI design intern in Bangalore, and there are 0 applicants. You can apply to get noticed as soon as possible. And FinFlux is another one. It's open in Glassdoor. You can see the opening in the Glassdoor. You can apply for the same. And they have mentioned the base pay range as well. And the same FinFlex has been opened. The hiring is opening on simplyhired.com, so you can apply from there also. It's an internship. They have 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum. They have mentioned as a base pay. So I think it can be useful for many of the interns. And next is UX UI design internship at Lazy Idli Private Limited. So you can check it here. They have 3 months of duration, and stipend is going to be 16,000 per month. You need to, oh shit, the date is over. I think we have date till 16th July. You can apply from there. And the next one is the opening at Live Institutions Technologies UXY internship Bangalore. And again, the opening is on bb.com, so you can apply from there. Make sure that you are applying on these platforms so that the employer will get noticed as like from the websites that you are applying, because they have mentioned the openings in those websites. Applying from there will be the easier way to get noticed. And the next one is UX UI design internship in Bangalore and also in Chennai. They have the hybrid option, and with at Smile Life Foundation. So there are also 0 applicants. You can apply from there, and they have posted one. And another one is you can apply from ycombinator.com. This is another job portal where front page is having the opening for product design intern. They are giving 30K to 50K per month. It is again your. And another company is called Mastro Connect. They have the opening for product designing intern. You have to apply this via unstop.com. They have mentioned the perks and eligibilities here. You can check it. Website called Engineers Connect. There they have the opening for Uzi Book Technologies Private Limited, and it is going to be, so clearly it is for intern. They have mentioned 0 experience is needed. Salary is going to be 10K per month. And another one is Core Tech YH. They have the opening of intern mentioned here, and they have the requirements also. You can check them and apply through this jobrapido.com. And next one is website called Boost Grade, where you have to apply and for the Core Tech Wise. So this Core Tech Wise is having the opening on both Job Rapido and Boost Grad, so you can apply from both of there. The stipend is going to be 6,000 per month. Maybe it's for very entry level, so you can check if you are still a learner. And Cutshot is having the opening at Seek They have the design. I think we have already, it has been there for last 2 months, so you can check this. Maybe they have been hiring a lot of people, so you can apply for this too. And next one is you need to apply through fresher jobs. Seek has posted their opening on fresher jobs also. And Rorco India Private Limited has the opening of UX/UI design internship. You need to apply through the Glassdoor. They have given the job summary. It's asking for me to apply, but you can apply through Glassdoor as well. I think we have opening also. You can check there. This Rorco opening is there also, and they are giving a stipend around 6,000 to 7,000 per month at trabajo.org. So they has the opening here as well. And coming to next, Cut Short. So here they have the opening of Credato Marketing Private Limited for UX/UI design intern. So you can apply through the Cut Short. They have mentioned the stipend and the requirement here. You can check that. Landmall.in. So they have the opening of UX/UI design intern. You need to apply through the Glassdoor for this. And same Landmall has the opening at Simply Had also. And the next one is IQ Next. IQ Next is having the opening of UX/UI design intern. You need to apply through Zuno by Foundit. You can check the openings, and they have started it on 8th May. You can also check for, they are also providing the pre-placement offer. So check for this once before you apply. The roles and responsibilities. And the next is Butte Group. They have the opening of UX/UI design intern in Bangalore, which is you need to apply through LinkedIn. Check for the responsibilities again. They have so many things mentioned here. If you are capable of doing all those, you can continue applying for it. And next one is No Broker Technology Solutions Private Limited. They have the apply date till 23rd July. So make sure that you do within that. And stipend is going to be 10,000 per month. It's a 3-month year already. So try to, whether based on your skills, you can be able to get it. No Broker has posted their opening on LinkedIn also. You can check them if you want. Posted their opening, so you can apply via that. They have the application ending on August 26th here. So try applying from here also from BoostGrad, because the opening, the application closing date is different from both of the websites. BoostGrad is having till August 26th. And Core Tech Voyage is having the opening of UX/UI design intern in Bangalore. So you can apply through LinkedIn. Yeah, that's all for today. I'm giving all the links in description. You can check them if you want, and if you really want directly to apply. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.